Hello, it's Ciarán here, and today we're going to do a mindfulness practice with some chocolate. So if you have a bit of chocolate ready, we'll begin. Or if you don't have some chocolate, you can use some fruit, maybe pineapple, papaya are good, raisin. But I think with chocolate, you're on to a winner. So we're going to break a bit of chocolate off, just a little bit. And we're going to place it on the palm of our hand. So we're going to really look at this chocolate as if it's the very first time we've seen chocolate. We've never been introduced to it before, so we're really going to notice everything about it. Is it heavy or light? What's the texture like? Are there different shades of brown? Is the light reflecting off the chocolate? Now we're going to pick the chocolate up between our fingers. How does it feel to have the chocolate sit in between the fingers? What do we notice? Is it sticky, warm or cold? Is the chocolate beginning to melt? Noticing any reactions in the body to the chocolate melting in your fingers. And we're going to bring the chocolate up to the nose and really noticing any smells the chocolate gives off. Is it pleasant or unpleasant? Does it bring up any memories or thoughts? Now we're going to place the chocolate on our tongue. So we're not going to eat it yet, so hold off. So we're just going to let the chocolate sit on the tongue. And notice how it feels just to have the chocolate rest on our tongue. So we're not going to chew it or bite it. Just noticing the taste. Is the texture changing? Is the chocolate melting? So now we're going to take a bite of the chocolate and notice any impulses we have to swallow. When you're ready, we're going to swallow the chocolate. And notice any aftertaste. Notice how the mouth feels after eating that chocolate. So how does that compare to how you normally eat chocolate or sweets, or fruit or raisins? What was the taste like compared to how you normally eat chocolate? Was it tastier? So maybe next time you're eating chocolate or fruit, your dinner, lunch, breakfast, you can slow down, you can have a good look at it, maybe notice something new. If you want, you can play with it in your fingertips, become aware of all the smells, let it rest on your tongue and noticing all the tastes, and then mindfully eat the chocolate. Chocolate.